Hi and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to put some paint on the front door pillars, some of that 2-1 primer, and I'm debating on not doing the floor pan because one of my viewers suggested to do a whole floor replacement, and that may be the way to go. Might be easier, but I'll show you what I mean. Sorry about my mess, but I was gonna try to make this piece right here by hand all the way down and try to get that fixed somehow. Anyways, this new piece will go from this seam here that's rested through, over the transmission tunnel and all the way over to the other side. And I think tonight I might grind down here to see where it's spot welded on, and so I know where to start taking it out. And it also comes with this already welded to it, the inner rockers. So I really just have to take this out and drop the other one in. But if I do go that route, I'm gonna put a support bar from here to here, and the same way on the other side over there across the doors to keep them straight. And I might put I don't know if I need to, but put a bar coming from this bar over to that one to keep it straight this way, since this whole section would be lifted out more or less. But that might be my easier way of doing it, quicker too, because I'm not a body man by any means, but I don't know if I could get that looking the way it's supposed to, especially that spot right there. And I think the other side's the same way, and it'd also take care of this hole in this too. But that's what I plan on doing tonight, is sanding this back along there, see where their spot welds are. It may be going up over the transmission tunnel right there. And also I think that this new piece would come with all the braces underneath, so it may be the way to go. But we'll get on this, and then after that we'll wipe this down and spray a little 2-in-1 on it and call it good. Alright, let me show you what I've done. I believe, excuse me, that these are the spot welds here. And as you can see, you can kind of see an indentation from where I ground down, kind of consistent all the way through to the other side. And it's basically the same thing over there as it is here. So my thinking is drill these out, pop them up, and that gets this top part away, which this kind of goes underneath this one. Anyways, I had to pop that up, and don't tell them what's under here. But anyways, pop this up, this whole seam through here, and then down here, this should be already somewhat away from this already. If not, we'll drill it out a little bit more. But back here is where the inner rocker butts up to the door pillar, and we'll have to drill those out. I'm gonna see if I can get a better shot of it. Okay, we're under the Bronco now. You can see that right there is the back door pillar, and the inner rocker right there comes and kind of comes behind this right here. Man, I can't really see. Right there. That's where it butts up to the door pillar. So I figure we'll have to come back here and take some spot welds loose there. And I'm thinking that the new part comes with this brace already built in right here, as well as that brace for the parking brake cables, and that brace there as well, and this cross brace here is already be on it, as well as this back brace here. And I think that brace, not sure if that, I don't know if that'll be on it or not, but it would definitely help. I think that might be on it as well. But anyways, we'll have to take that off, and then this whole thing should come up. That's what I was thinking, but I could be wrong. Who knows? Of course, there'll be spot welds here too, all the way down, connected it to this beginning of the firewall underneath the transmission tunnel. And all this will come with it. It's a big whole center section. I guess we're ready for some paint now. I'm gonna paint all the way from the top to where the rust is. Let's get it all. I think that's pretty good for that side. And we'll do the same on this side. think that'll do it for that side. This is what she looks like right now. Paint dries pretty quick, and like I said before, it goes on really smooth and nice. I'm pretty happy with that. Of course, we'll be cutting it off down here and attaching a new piece. I need better lights on this side, but I did the best I could to get in that seam there all the way down. It doesn't look very good, but it's had nothing to get in there with. But it filled those pits in pretty good, except for at the very bottom. All these little ones that were in here, it filled it up. And I got rid of my mark. But not too bad, I don't think. I think that'll do it for me tonight. I like how the pillar turned out. I think it looks pretty nice. But we have to get that pillar ordered. Probably gonna order that tomorrow. And I may order that whole section floor, because it seems like it'd be better fit for me, because we saw the pits and holes in that floor is pretty bad. Even the floor on the passenger side is bending at the brace, so it needs just to be replaced. So I'm gonna try to get that ordered, and then thinking tomorrow we might flip it around and take the outer rocker off the other side and get ready, and do the same thing as that door pillar. A lot of pillar work and rocker panel work, but as soon as we get the new centerpiece and it welded in and everything good, we'll put the outer rockers on, and then we can move on to something else. There's a lot of stuff to do. We still need to fix the hole in each side. I'm debating on just buying that panel that goes there you can patch in. I don't know yet, haven't made up my mind. But I'm really wanting to get it off the frame as soon as possible. That way I can start working on it and maybe get better content other than just sanding and painting and occasionally a little bit of welding. But we'll weld up the bed holes on the other side, just like we did on this side. And that may be into next month before we get the floor back in, but we'll see how it goes. And thank you to my new subscribers. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I post pictures on my Instagram of what I'm doing in here. It's the same name, RS for Restoration, if you want to follow me on that. But other than that, I think I'm gonna head in and go to bed. It's getting close to 1 o'clock, and I guess I'll see you on the next.